Are you looking to elevate the look of your home with beautiful, stylish, and durable vinyl flooring? Well, you're in luck because Mr. Handyman and more is here to help. Our experienced team has a wealth of knowledge and expertise when it comes to installing vinyl floors, ensuring that you'll receive a flawless and professional finish every single time. But why choose vinyl flooring? Vinyl is not only visually stunning and available in a range of designs and styles, but it's also incredibly easy to clean, resistant to water, and built to last, making it the perfect choice for any home. At Mr. Handyman, we're committed to providing exceptional customer service and top-quality workmanship that stands head and shoulders above the rest. We're not satisfied until you are, and here's the best part. If you mention this video when you book our vinyl flooring installation service, we'll take $25 off the total cost. So what are you waiting for? Call Mr. Handyman and more today and let us transform your home with the perfect vinyl flooring that you and your family will enjoy for years to come.